T20 सीरीज पे कसा अपना शिकंजा। अब बारी है ODI सीरीज की। So let's talk about it. Hi friends, I am Garvit and today we are going to talk about India versus England, the ODI series that is going to be held in Pune. Today is the first match. So let's discuss. First, the match details. The venue, as I told you, in Maharashtra, it's going to be held in Pune. The pitch is really nice for batting. Not much help for spinners. थोड़ी सी घास भी डाली जा रही है रिपोर्टेडली। 300 350 स्कोर बन सकता है। टॉस जीतकर पहले बैटिंग करना चाहेंगी टीम्स। टाइमिंग क्या अगर मैं आपको बताऊं तो 1:30 PM IST शुरू हो रहा है ये मैच। It is going to be held behind closed doors without any crowd. So now let's begin with the preview. So first, let's begin with the playing 11s. From Indian side, I'll open with Rohit Sharma and Shikhar Dhawan. I think Shikhar Dhawan deserves a spot in the ODI team at least because you're not giving him chances that much. But he's a really brilliant player, at least in the ODI format. So I think he's a really essential player for the Indian ODI team. At 3, everyone knows the captain Virat Kohli. At 4, I'll have the informed batsman Shreyas Iyer. अगर नंबर 6 पर वो T20 में रन बना सकते हैं, अगर उन्हें 18-20 गेंदें मिल रही हैं, उनका वो पूरा यूज़ कर सकते हैं, तो सोचिए वनडे में अगर उन्हें 50, 60, 70 गेंदें मिल रही हैं तो उनका कितना यूज़ कर सकते हैं वो। सो आई थिंक ही विल बी अ ग्रेट एसेट फॉर द टीम. एट 5 दिस द विकेट कीपर पंत और राहुल, पंत और राहुल, पंत और राहुल. आई एम गोइंग विद राहुल एट 5. जो बंदा ये काम 12 महीने, 1 साल, 1.5 साल से ये काम कर रहा है, उनकी 4 इनिंग्स खराब गई और आप उन्हें टीम में से निकाल देंगे। मतलब आपने उनको एक पॉइंट पे इतना ट्रस्ट किया कि उन्हें कप्तान भी बना दिया जब कोहली और रोहित नहीं खेल रहे थे, और अब आप उन्हें इतना भी ट्रस्ट नहीं कर रहे कि वो खेल सकते हैं एज कीपर. सो आई थिंक ही डिजर्व्स अ स्पॉट एट नंबर 5. एट 6 देयर इज हार्दिक पांड्या. एट 7 आई एम हैविंग एन ऑलराउंडर. और अफसोस कि सिर्फ स्पिनिंग ऑलराउंडर्स हैं. देयर इज कृणाल पांड्या एंड देयर इज वॉशिंगटन सुंदर. We can't play the kulcha together as there's not much help for spin. Only 2 spinners maximum I would want to play. At 7 I'm having Washington Sundar because he's in form. He's a really nice bowler, and plus the English side has many left-handers. At 8 I'll have Shardul Thakur, and at 9 I will have Bhuvneshwar Kumar. I hope they will continue their form from the T20Is. At 10 I'm having Kuldeep Yadav, not Yuzvendra Chahal. I think Kuldeep Yadav will be more difficult to play and face for the English batsmen rather than Yuzvendra Chahal because he's also left-arm Chinaman. He flights the ball a little bit more and he has more variety than Chahal. Whereas the English batsmen struggle to face spin bowlers like these because they don't have seen much Chinaman bowlers and bowlers like these. At 11 I'll have Thangarasu Natarajan. And if he's not 100% fit, someone out of Prasidh Krishna or Mohammad Siraj is always there as a backup to replace him. But as my first choice, I'll always have Thangarasu Natarajan as he is also left-handed and he'll also give me overs in the death. So this is the Indian 11, and now I'm going for the English side. Opening the batting, Johnny Bairstow and Jason Roy, 2 great players, 2 explosive players. Hope they will provide them a really good start. At 3 they are having someone like Liam Livingstone or Sam Billings क्योंकि जो रूट नहीं है स्क्वाड में. So I'll go with Sam Billings. He's more experienced and a better anchor than someone like Liam Livingstone. At 4 the captain Ian Morgan will play. At 5 and 6 their hard-hitting batsmen Stokes and Butler would play. Butler would keep the wickets as well. And at 7 I'll have Sam Curran. At 8 there'll be Chris Jordan, and at 9 there'll be Adil Rashid because Adil Rashid has done really nice in the T20s, has restricted them, and Chris Jordan according to me is a really nice bowler. He's gun in the death and he's a really good fielder as well. And at 10 at 11 I'm having Tom Curran and Mark Wood in my team. Mark Wood has done exceptionally well in the T20 series, and Tom Curran and Reece Topley may say I think Tom Curran is the better bowler. They can play Reece Topley as well, as he is lefty bowler. That can provide them the advantage of that outswing at the start, and that can trouble Rohit Sharma and Shikhar Dhawan. Now going on to the X Factor players from Indian team, this time I am going for Shreyas Iyer. I think he can make the maximum of the balls that he gets with his form that he is in currently, and he can make the most of it. From the English side, I am going for Jason Roy this time. An explosive start is much needed for the English team. So I think Jason Roy can do really good with the new ball, with bat in his hand, and can really manipulate the bowlers by moving around the crease. So I think he can score runs in the power play and make huge runs. So I'm going with Jason Roy. Who are you going with? Please comment down. If you like, please like, share and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.